Alright, continuing with question number 7. A cylindrical bucket 32 centimeter high with radius of base 18 centimeter is filled with sand. So you can see the cylinder here, right? So remember, this entire thing is filled with sand. So go back to the question. This bucket is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of sand is formed. Alright, so remember, this was filled with sand, right? So the sand has been taken out and it has been formed into a conical heap. Alright, and they've given us the height of the cone is how much? 24 centimeter. Okay, height means this region. All right, so you can see here already given to us 24. Question is, find the radius and the slant height of the heap or of the cone. All right, so I've written the height of the cylindrical bucket, radius given, height of the conical heap, right? This one they've given to us, radius we're going to find, and even the slant height. So now can we say that what? The volume of sand in the cylindrical bucket is equal to volume of sand in the conical shape. We can say, right? Because remember, the sand that was taken out from here, which makes the volume, has been turned into this cone, right? Which means the volume will be equal. All right, that's what I'm writing down. That's what we have written down here. Now the formula for volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, and then volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h. All right, so from here we can divide this pi and pi. So I'm putting down the value of radius. How much? Radius they've given to us to be equal to 18, right? And this is r square, so 18 into 18, and then height is 32. So if we have written that, and we're first going to find the r square from here. Okay, once we find the r square, then we'll find the slant height of the cone. All right, and height given to us how much? The height of the cone is 24. Once we're done with that, we'll do cross multiplication. So this 24 will go down to the denominator, right? Then we can start the division. So 4 8s are 32, 4 6 are 24, then 3 1s are, then 3 2s are 6, and 2 1s are, then 2 4s are 8. We'll be left with what? 18 into 18 into 4, right? Which is equal to r square. Now this square will go to the other side, so I'll have the root of, right? So 18 into 18 will give us 18 square, and this 4 can be simply written as 2 square, right? So you can see they both have square, which means they'll both come out. Or in other words, we'll get 18 into 2 equals 36 centimeter. So now we know the radius of the cone, right? Now the last part is we have to find the slant height of the cone, right? So the slant height of the cone, the formula is what? L equals h square plus r square. So height of the cone was already given to us 24. We already found the radius, right? So we simply have to just put the values here, right? 24 square is 576, 36 square is 1292, and when we add these two, we're going to get 1872. Right, next step, just find all the factors of this 1872, which we're going to get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13, right? So now we'll group them in terms of pairs. So 2 square, 2 square, 3 square, and 13. You can already see here, which means this 3 will come out, right? So 2 into 2 into 3, and then because this 13 has no pair, it will still be under root. Then if you multiply this 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, and that's how we'll get the slant height of the cone to be 12 root over 13 centimeters.